Why do opinions matter? This is a question that I get asked all the time, and I ask myself all the time whether or not I have a very good answer. I don't know why they matter. I think they should. I think when the entire world comes to this agreement that democracy is the right political system to go for, we need to have a democracy of opinions as well. And unfortunately that doesn't happen. It happens with the big things like choosing the president, but it doesn't happen with the small things like deciding what women's position in society should be, or where people stand on gay marriage, or where people stand on abortion, or where people stand on Lady Gaga's new outfit. I mean, all these things, we all have opinions, we can't help it. We're wired to be judgmental creatures. We literally go around the world having another opinion every few seconds. And all of these opinions are thoughts. And our thoughts, you know, a lot of people say get quantified by Twitter. The truth is that only 1% of the Twitter users create content. And that happens because those people feel validated. They have a large following and they feel like someone's tuning in. And that's what I mean by their thoughts matter. As long as you say something and there's someone listening and giving you feedback, you feel like you matter and that what you say matters. But that doesn't happen for the 99% who doesn't create content on Twitter. And so I called Notch a Twitter for the 99%. And that's mainly because it's so frictionless to add your notch about anything. And you have opinions about everything. So it's really easy to just go on Notch and be like, here's how I feel about gay marriage, and here's how I feel about texting on the toilet, and here's how I feel about Nike, and so on. Literally everything you have an opinion about. And the catch is that because you express it as a color, it goes into this pool of color points or data points that together shout out a very clear voice to the 1% who actually needs to tune in and listen to make decisions based on what people say. The reason why I wouldn't have worked with text or really any type of verbal tool for expression is because it's very difficult to parse through what 99% of the people have to say to get to an understanding of how they collectively feel. And so at Notch we decided to create a very fun tool that manages to quantify from a more data-driven perspective how people feel and gives them a voice, and it gives them an instant audience. And that's why we think we make opinions matter.